supply of
After lockdown, it will be chaotic. Every single profession would have suffered a financial blow.
शेयर्स में गिरावट, increased global economic recession यानी कि आर्थिक महामंदी and of course महंगाई.
Banks and businesses will be troubled due to cashless transactions and a large crowd.
But we will stop the economical discussion here and think more about what will happen to the fundamental unit of this country, a human being.
We are going to cover all the precautions that a man has to take in order to stay healthy in this period of the lockdown and after the lockdown has been lifted.
We will discuss the major threat to our society in post-lockdown period. Mumbai Railways is one of the densely populated hotspots in Maharashtra.
According to a survey taken in 2018, it carries 7 to 7.5 million people in its full day working span. This makes it a threat to coronavirus infection and a major setback to the herd immunity theory.
Herd immunity is a theory which states that 70 or 90% of people are immune to pandemic. Other 10 or 30% people which isn't immune to this disease get automatic protection.
Saloni said that Mumbai Railway is one of the most populated hotspot. Coronavirus is very infectious and is still adapting. The same virus which used to spread due to 2 handshakes now can spread even if the infected person is standing in front of you.
सेफ डिस्टेंस आज 6 फीट है, लेकिन कल को ये 8 या 10 फीट तक जा सकता है.
हमने ऐसे वीडियोस देखे हैं जहां पर एक्टर्स, स्पोर्ट्स स्टार्स एंड इवन हमारे दोस्त जो रोटरैक्ट, लायंस ऐसे क्लब्स में हैं, उन्होंने सैनिटाइजर्स, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, बार-बार हाथ धोना और मास्क का इम्पोर्टेंस बताया है.
I understand, but that itself won't be enough, right? Just as Bhagyashree stated that 6 feet limit, we need to think beyond that. We need to adapt ourselves. So the basic precautions would be to not take off the mask, whatever the situation may be.
Always keep a distance of slightly more than 6 feet.
Always sanitize your hands as you may touch everything, including your bag, to train handles, your smartphone, even the change you receive from your rickshawala.
Always wash your mask and sun dry it because it is going to be the most useful asset in your life for a long time.
Use gloves when contact is must. Say for example, paying the bus fare, rickshaw fare.
Keep your phone in a transparent plastic bag and refrain it from taking out in public.
The virus is functional in both upper as well as lower respiratory systems. So, avoid intake of secondary smoke if you are in public places.
The Arogya Setu app. It is an app which provides us with complete information on the latest updates about corona. It monitors us via the location service and it warns us to stay away from the coronavirus hotspot.
We'll discuss about the fitness mantras of our immunity. The first, physical activity. Second, mental activity. Third, diet.
Always trying to be physically active. You can do this by doing yoga, household work, simple workout and a course. You can search for a yoga on a YouTube or for simple work.
Dancing is also good for health as it relaxes your muscles. Go for short walks around your society, but with your mask on. It also helps in maintaining your physical health. Mental activity is all about staying positive in every situation. We never know what will happen in near future, so be ready with everything. Pursue your hobbies, spend time with your family. Simple activities like cooking, drawing, painting can help you think positive.
Eat a lot of healthy and supplementary food. When it comes to immunity, homemade food and balanced diet is our best bet.
Drink warm water regularly. Do try new recipes but avoid too much of junk food.
ये काढ़ा लेने से कोरोना से बचाव होता है. ये टेक्स्ट 20 लोग को फॉरवर्ड करो तो आप कोरोना से फ्री होंगे. हाँ वे क्या भेजा है तूने?
अरे ये टेक्स्ट है ब्रो. मीम्स और जोक्स तो मैं वहीं से भी शेयर करता हूँ, तो ये भी फॉरवर्ड कर दिया.
अरे बट ये सिंपल सा टेक्स्ट था या एक सिंपल सा मैसेज था जो फॉरवर्ड करना था. इमेजिन कर कि इसी मैसेज में कोई टैबलेट या ड्रग का इन्फो है और लोगों ने ले लिया. व्हाट्सएप कितना वायरल है तुझे पता ही है, इसलिए ऐसा मत करते जा.
हाँ ब्रो, बात तो सही कह रहा है.
In this pandemic, there seems to be a greater dependency on pharmacists. They are the first line defense along with doctors and other medical units to deal with this crisis.
Even today, in the state of lockdown, pharmacies are kept open for public services.
Community pharmacists act as a direct point of access for their patients. They support the government by disseminating information on precautions related to COVID-19 spread, including hand washing techniques, use of face masks, and instructions for their proper disposal. They also ensure the availability of masks in their area.
Hospital pharmacists have an important role during outbreaks, infection control, as well as patient care.
International pharmaceutical federations have come up with certain guidelines in order to deal with this COVID-19 pandemic.
Pharmacies have worked in close collaboration with international humanitarian organizations like Red Cross and local community workers to increase efficient handling of COVID-19 cases.
Pharmacists are also providing home deliveries for other diseases in order to prevent any other form of exposure to the virus.
IPA wrote a letter to PM Modi which requests that all pharmacists should be allowed to conduct COVID-19 testing, interpreting and counseling patients on test result and available treatment.
Pharmacists also monitor reliability of information, as control of right information is very important during a pandemic.
Our healthcare professionals and our very own pharmacists are striving very hard to discover an effective vaccine on this deadly coronavirus. So let us thank them from bottom of our heart.
Self-reliance या आत्मनिर्भरता. What does it exactly mean for students like us?
We can take necessary precautions to keep ourselves and our surroundings corona-free.
Being responsible will help the country to fight against coronavirus by our side.
We should study hard in our respective fields via online sources to ensure that we have a developing India ahead.
We should not lose hope and we should try to stay aware and spread awareness to whom we can.
That is what word Atmanirbhar means to us.
We understand that the world is facing a pandemic. The scenario after COVID pandemic is never going to be the same.
So let's stay healthy, fit and positive.
Stay home.
Stay safe.